Part 2. Sorry, my mom called for the end of the video. So, last left off, yeah, Haircroft. I'm not hair. Scizor, VMAX. One of my favorite bug type. Last pack. Part 2. Let's do it. It just means it's going to be a cooler video. In 2 parts. A white back. A cooler video. Four from the back. Alright. You want this person? I'm a Tang. Puchana. Voltorb. Rockruff. Tana. Yama. A reverse of this. A Shaman. And an energy card. And actually, Shaman Hollow, that's not a bad pull. I actually do like Shaman. I will take that. Ironically, I pulled this guy as a different reverse before. So, gonna put that in. That's cool. Alright. Thanks for watching both parts. Hope you liked the video, subscribe, and all that great stuff. Hopefully we'll be recording more now, but now. Um, all these camera cards. But, yeah. Alright. Hope you enjoy. Peace.